Search for control panel. Click it. You have seen the right top side viewed by stack. It should be in category. And click program option. Here you can see the Java setting is stack. Click it. This pop-up will appear in this click update settings. Click update now. It's already up to date. So the pop-up will showing latest Java platform is running. Click OK. If it's not update means it will update by using this method, and if the Java setting itself not having means you need to go to the browser, download the Java by using official website, download the official latest Java. After that, click settings, click app settings, click installed app, scroll down and search for Minecraft launcher. You have seen the right side 2 dot icon is there. You need to click it and click advanced option. Scroll down, click reset. In this click repair and wait for a couple of seconds. Once complete after, click reset. After completing these two settings, come back and click Windows Update and make sure the Windows is up to date or not. If it's not update means you need to make it up to date. If any download and installation pending item is starting means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Once completing this, close it and restart your PC. Thank you.